Hi guys, it's me Lori, your positivity princess. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show. I'm here spreading positivity. I'm here spreading positivity and happiness and helping others live their best lives. Join me on my path to riches. I will be using so many tips and tricks that I've collected on my way to preparing for this journey. If you're intrigued by anything that you've heard or anything that you've seen, please give a little thumbs up, click that like button, and if you are so inclined, please subscribe. You don't want to miss it when I have my gigantic, massive, humongous breakthrough. Okay, so this video will represent day 93 to 98 of my path to riches. So today, as part of my video, I wanted to share with you how to improve your chances of being lucky or winning. Really, there's no such thing as luck. That's what they say. Luck is what happens when you start to attract good things to you. Have you ever noticed that winning something often leads to winning more things? Or shortly after winning, you win something else, or something else that's awesome and lucky happens to you? When you start saying things to yourself and out loud like, I'm a lucky person, I win things all the time. Or my favorite is when you say something like, I have horseshoes up my butt. Okay, no one really says that but me, I guess. I want to share with you 3 ways of becoming luckier or to attract more favorable circumstances, which you can define as luck. So number 1, I want you to play more. So what I mean by this is that you will have more chances to win prizes and money if you actually participate in contests. So there are a lot of contests out there. There's a lot of ways you can win. This includes playing the lottery. So there's both kinds, like, you can pick numbers from a draw or you can do your scratch tickets. There's 50-50 draws. There's surveys on receipts that you can do. Walmart does this all the time. And a lot of other retailers. See right here, you just log in and do the survey. And restaurants do it as well. The second way to attract more luck is by being a giver. Now let me explain here. Giving puts you into an abundance mindset. It reduces your likelihood of finding yourself in the lack mindset, which is the polar opposite. Giving makes you feel so good. What does feeling good do? So feeling is, well, everything. In the law of attraction, the big thing that Rhonda Burns in The Secret kind of left out is the idea of feeling good. So when you're feeling good, you can do so much more. She did talk a lot about visualizing and imagine yourself in these certain scenarios. And that's key, putting yourself into that state, of the thing that you want is, and maintaining that as often as you can will get you there faster, but the feeling is what's important. So click here for my video on the benefits of feeling happy and good all the time. Or hang in there till the end, and this video that I just mentioned will be put on an end card at the end of the video. The bottom line here is try to feel good as much as possible. And when you are feeling bad, use this method called SNAP, which they often use with kids, but it works really well with adults too. SNAP stands for Stop Now and Plan. So a stop is something that you would do when you're starting to feel yourself losing control of your emotions. So if you stop, you breathe, you think of the hard or negative thought that is not serving you, and you ask yourself, is this true? Is this helping me or hurting me? Is this positive or negative? Just 1 second, baby. Then you tell yourself the true statement or the warm thought. If your hard thought was, I'm screwing this up, or I am going to get sick, or I can't entertain these kids all the time, tell yourself the opposite. Say, I'm doing my best. Or I'm feeling great and I will remain healthy. Or you can even say, for the last one is, I'm able to keep these kids entertained and there is plenty for them to do. Or even the kids can learn to entertain themselves and that will breed more creativity in them as well, right? Then you breathe again. Let's do that together. Let's take one nice big deep belly breath. How did that feel, Matthew?
Good.
Right? Then you go on and do something that makes you happy. So here, Matthew and I, we're building a Lego. He's doing a lot of it right now, but that's what we're going to do right after this. So read, watch a funny show, paint, color, draw, play an instrument, listen to happy music, eat some chocolate, or drink coffee, play Lego with your kids like we are here. There's so much to do. Also, I just posted a video yesterday, it's right here, of 100 things you can do when you're bored at home. The last thing, number 3, is to have gratitude. This goes without saying, I hope. If anyone here knows about the law of attraction and you live that way in a spiritual way at all, you know you have to be grateful for what you have, because that, my friends, breeds more of things to be grateful for. You can demonstrate gratitude to the universe by using one of the following.
This doesn't stay.
Strategies. So first, you could write a gratitude journal or list. You could say gratitude affirmations. I'm so happy and grateful now that. You can say thank you to the universe every time you take a drink of water or eat a bite of food for that abundance. Try these tips and tricks in order to bring more luck into your life. It works and it's amazing. Comment below what you will do to bring more luck and good karma into your life. Get out of here. I'd love to hear from each and every one of you. My next video in my Path to Riches series will be for day 99 to 100. So stay tuned. I'm doing...
Stop with the toilet paper.
Toilet paper is a representative of abundance right now, isn't it? Stay tuned. I will be doing my 100-day special. Now, did you know I have a Facebook group? I've mentioned this in a couple other videos. It's dedicated to positivity and happiness. Did you know I have a Facebook group dedicated to positivity and happiness? It isn't huge, but the members are one of a kind. As always, I'm doing 3 shout-outs to members of my group. I want to give you a big virtual hug to 3 of my members. All of these are named Matthew. As you know, my son's name is Matthew, so I chose 3 Matthews. We have Matthew Schmidt, Matthew Pizeski, and Matt Pineda. We are making the world more positive. One meme, one photo, one video, or post at a time. Guys, we got this. Shout outs. I'll be doing 3 more shout outs in my next video as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm grateful for every single one of you. Every single like, every follow, every comment, every view, everything. Okay? Without you guys, honestly, I'm just talking to myself. Have a wonderful day and be positive.